Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Q&A with Dr. Niki Davis. I'm Chandler Rosenberg. Welcome, Dr. Davis.
Thanks, Chandler. Good to be here.
Today, we've got a question from one of our members about flax seeds. What are the benefits of flax seeds?
Good. Okay, so flax seeds, I think some people know this or maybe not, but they are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. So whenever you think of omega-3 fats or omega-3 fatty acids, a lot of people think of the same thing, which is fish or fish oil. But what's interesting is fish actually don't make omega-3 fats. And in fact, humans don't either. So omega-3 fats are an essential fat. That just means that you have to get it from your diet. Your body does not make it. And like I said, not only do we not make it, so we need to take it in the form of food, but also fish don't make it. And so why do fish have high levels of omega-3 fats? Well, it's because of the plants that they eat. So they eat algae and things like that that are high in omega-3s. And some of the foods that are also good for omega-3s are like walnuts or green leafy vegetables, Brussels sprouts, things like that, but also flax seeds. So flax seeds have a really good source of omega-3s. And omega-3s are important because they help with the lining of our cells. So our whole body is filled with cells and they have a membrane. And so they are part of that cell membrane. And they also help with the cell receptors on the cell membrane. So really important functions. They do some other things in the body, but those are kind of some of the main things as to why we need to have omega-3. So they're rich in omega-3s, which is fantastic, but they also have what are called phytochemicals or phytoestrogens called lignans. And those are thought to be helpful in decreasing the risk for some cancers. And flax seeds specifically have over 100 times more of these phytoestrogens than a lot of other plant foods. So they're very high in that, which is great. And specifically, it seems to be beneficial for breast and prostate cancer. The other thing that flax seeds can do is control cholesterol, triglycerides, and even blood sugar levels in the blood. And the other things that is great is they have been known to treat constipation. So especially if they're taken in their whole form, they help kind of move things through. So they're really beneficial that way. And then the other thing that I'll just add is that there's actually a really great study that was a double-blinded, placebo-controlled, randomized controlled trial where they took people who have hypertension or high blood pressure. They split them into two groups, and one of the groups had a placebo and the other group got flaxseed. And so neither of the groups knew what they were getting. But after 6 months, they checked their blood pressure, and the group that got the flax seeds had a 7-point lowering of their blood pressure. So it looks like it can also help with blood pressure. So a lot of good benefits from flax seeds. And so I think it is definitely something that if you want to try to incorporate it into your daily diet, it can be very beneficial.
That's great. I've heard that grinding flax seeds makes the nutrients more bioavailable. Is that true? Would you recommend grinding them before putting them on foods, or does it matter?
Yeah, I think so. It can definitely be beneficial because it's got that hard outer layer that sometimes your body can't break down very easily. So yeah, grinding it can definitely help get all those nutrients. But if you are looking for some other benefits, like the constipation benefit, having it in the whole form is actually more beneficial. So,
oh, great.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Davis, and thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next week.